All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and if you want a real vice grips, you got to buy it from Snap-on. All right, let me give you a little background on this tool. It is a Snap-on exclusive. A company has purchased the original die equipment, plant, everything that these used to be manufactured in when it was Vise Grips, before it got bought up by Irwin, and then Irwin moved production to China. So these are made in the USA, genuine made in the USA. I doubt you're going to be able to read that. But these are made with the original dies. These are made at the original Vise Grips factory. If you've dealt with the newer Irwin-made Chinese Vise Grips, they're junk. I'm sorry if you think they're good, they're junk. I've had, literally here is 2 original Vise Grips that I've had forever. I think this one is actually my dad's. This is one I bought. They're significantly different. This one gives patent numbers, Vise Grips, and this predates made in the USA. This one still says made in the USA. And I know you're not going to be able to see that, but DeWitt, Nebraska, Peterson Manufacturing Company. This is an Irwin Chinese made. Junk. This has already been warranted this, I think, 3 times now, and now I'm just going to chuck it when it's too bad. It says Vise Grips the original, and Vise Grips instead of the Peterson Manufacturing. Junk. I'm hoping they start production on these soon, the needle nose, because this is the most used Vise Grip I use. I use it for drum brakes when I got to do those springs, because I just clamp it on there and pop it over. But anyway, now let's talk about, well, the longevity of these tools. Now obviously, the original ones last. This one, I'm guessing, is going to be in the 30 to 40-year-old range. I have no idea. Like I said, I'm pretty sure this is my dad's. You know, when it says Peterson Manufacturing, the company that designed Vise Grips, and there is some pretty good wear on the teeth. That's one of the biggest things about the Chinese ones, is the teeth don't stand up. They do not. You clamp it on a grade 8 bolt or a 10.9, the Vise Grip's taking the brunt of it. And that's why they slip, because they suck. Now, the other day, because I finally got one, I clamped this onto a stripped out underbody bolt. Shouldn't have been that tight. It was tight. It grabbed it, it pulled it out without problems. Like I said, I'm hoping they come out with a needle nose, because I will definitely be buying a set. But these are made in America at the original plant with the original equipment. I'm sure it's been updated. Now, one note that has changed is they do have a hex in the end, so you can go in there and crank it down even tighter, which is a welcome addition. Just an FYI, it is a Snap-on exclusive at this point, so the only way you can buy them is to buy them from Snap-on. I don't think they're that expensive. I'll try to put a graphic up, but made in America Vise Grips. I mean, I don't think they can use Vise Grips anymore, but you know, locking pliers, they are as close to the original as I remember. So definitely well worth the investment, especially if you don't have really good Vise Grips. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.